Stop giving allowances to your kids, no, and do this instead. Guys, ito nga pala usual na tanong sa atin. Sir Loran, paano nga pala tinuturuan, no, about financial literacy, about personal finance yung daughter nyo, yung anak nyo? So guys, teaching kids about money is very important, no, kasi hindi lang, just give allowances. We want them to learn more as early as possible, no, yung mga financial principles na gusto nating ituro sa kanila, guys, no. So ito nga, of course, a lot of you like me, no, minsan we just want to give allowances sa mga anak natin, para tapos na, no, madali na for us, ikaw na bahala dyan. But again, allowances may benefits din. Of course, it teaches about spending, no? So binabudget nila yan, no? Like ako nung bata ako, ganito yung baon ko, 50-20 pesos, binabudget ko na yan whole day, no? So nagiging madiskarte ako kasi kailangan kong gastusin yan, pagkasyahin yan, no, sa pagkain ko sa buong maghapon. And ang tendency nga nun, because may gusto akong laruan na bilhin, no, sa simula, so ang nangyayari, nauubos na yun umaga pa lang, so I have to maging madiskarte all throughout the day, no. But again, that's just about spending yung pag-allowances. So what, I've been studying personal finance, no, teaching about kids. So may mga kanya-kanyang methods, no, on how to enhance, no, matuto yung anak natin about personal finance. So basically yung iba, they give sweldo, no, they teach them how to earn their money, no. So if ever may mga ginawang gawain sa bahay, no, nag-ayos ng kwarto, ganyan, may binibigyan ng allowances or ng pera, no, para they will teach also how to earn their money, no. So hindi lang yun yung kumbaga, makikita nila yung value of earning din, not just spending, kasi nga pag allowance spending lang, no. So maybe you could do that as well. So if they organize their things, if they do their projects, no, so you could give them allowances. So sila Dave Ramsey, yung mga personal finance guru, tinuturo nila yan, no, na you just pag ito certain task, no, ginawa mo, meron kang allowance na ganitong amount, let's say 50 pesos. Pag ito naman yung task na mas mahirap, you will earn 100 pesos naman, no. So pwede rin yon, no. So again, but of course you could enhance, no, rather, like if ever na ako, I would suggest, no, for me, no, ito yung gagawin ko sa anak ko. So tuturuan ko siya na mag-earn ng sarili niya, no. So help ka muna sa business ko, and then if ever magkaroon ka na idea, I will help you, no, earn your own money through business or selling your skills, or tulong ka sa business ko, or pwede kang mag-help sa other businesses, no, for you to earn then, or for you to know the business as well. So kumbaga, you're also teaching them the money making skills na tinatawag, no. So mga how to generate business ideas, etc., no. And for me,